How to check if your friends reposted on Snapchat. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you key parts for you to be able to check if your friends reposted on Snapchat. Now Snapchat actually operates differently. So view friends repost is the first method of doing that is to go into their profile if they have reposted, and then all you have to do from there, there's actually a tab often appears allowing you to see a collection of their reposted spotlight videos. So that's the first method. Second method is via the spotlight repost mechanism. Now, for you to be able to do that, all you have to do is users can repost spotlight snaps by clicking the repeat icon, which shares the content with their friends. The other thing that you can do is to check your own story views to see who has watched your own content by tapping your public story and swipe up to view the viewers list. So that's pretty much it. Unfortunately, those are only the key features that you can do for you to check if your friends reposted on Snapchat.